Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Marcia coming to you from sunny Florida, and I hope you're having a great day. Today is an unboxing of my new product line, Sunshine in a Box. So there's going to be 10 available, and this is the first one. And the next ones that you will see, this will come in a wood crate box with a lid. And they will be beautifully decorated on the outside with a mixed media collage technique. So this is a collage technique here on this packaging box, but the next ones will be in a wood crate box. So just to give you an idea of what the contents will be. So the outside and everything will be beautifully gift wrapped. So I've made one of these accordion flowers, put a cute little butterfly on top, and then put it on a straw, and this is just for decoration. You can use it in a floral arrangement later on, whatever you would like to use it for. Use it as a cupcake topper, just a variety of things. Put it in a cute little gift bag for party favors, gift it to a friend, or keep it for yourself. And then my cute little "You Are My Sunshine" card. So whether it's gift to you or gift to someone else, and then you can write a message on the back. So this one of these will come with every care package. So this is my Sunshine in a Box care package. So again, this is just the first prototype, but all of them will come in a wood crate box. Okay, so let's get with the unboxing. So inside, each will come with my welcome message, so a personal message from me, the owner of Markets of Sunshine. I'm Marcia Jaramillo, and I will be putting my name on my channel because when I'm commenting on people's channel, all they're knowing is that it's Markets of Sunshine, but they don't know my name, Marcia Jaramillo, so I'm going to start changing it to that, and so that you'll know. And then also an invitation will be in here to join my VIP email list, which is my coupon club, and so all the information about that will be in there. And then my blog website information is right down here, marketsofsunshine.com. You'll get invites to exclusive giveaways and deals. Okay, so first in the box is this beautiful sun hat, all handmade by me. So it's double-sided, so you could turn it, you can wear it either way. So this side or this side. So it's really, really cute and fun. And when you have it on, you can flip this side up and make that a cute little style as well. And everything will be wrapped in its own tissue paper. So that's just adorable. And it's pretty much one size fits all, and then I do some decorative stitching in the tops of the hats as well. So that holds the two pieces, the lining, together. So if you can see this pretty really leaf pattern there. So on both sides, it comes out just adorable. And they will be in a variety of fabric patterns, florals and stripes and solids, as you can see right here. So flowers and florals. And then a cute little paper clip gift pack will also be included. And they will be different in every pack. So this one, of course, is all in fun sunshine yellow tones and florals. And so a little flower pot, a dress, and a little purse. How cute is that? And then a cute little mini book. So, and then of course the ribbon says, "You are my sunshine." So everything is in this cute sunshine theme. So there, you can read it right there. "You are my sunshine." Thinking of you, in this gold foil lettering. And then inside are two pockets, and then two little mini envelopes and little messages. So I stamped on here, "Friends are kind to each other's hopes and cherish each other's dreams." So then you can write a little message on there. So there's two of those. And then it folds back up, and then you tie it Isn't that precious? It's so adorable. Just a sweet little book for you to give to your friend. And you can also, excuse me, put a little tea bag that's already individually wrapped, and you could put that on either side as well. Or a gift card, whatever you would like. And then next up, another little envelope with a message. And then one of my shaker cards. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, it's just so much fun. Life is good with a beautiful butterfly, because nature is one of the things that just calms us. So I love anything to do with butterflies. So this extra little envelope and message can tuck right in there. Isn't that precious? And one of my beautiful and adorable little gratitude journals. So the sleeve slides off and you open it up and there's a little mini notepad. And now they've got this they can take with them and keep it on their desk or wherever they would like it to have a little note, put it in their purse. Next is a wallet. You can put this, use it for the cash envelope system, whatever you would like. And a second wallet. So one for receipts, one for your savings, your emergency fund, if you're doing the baby steps, and then envelopes, also all hand stitched by me. And then last but not least, a face mask. So this is a cotton face mask. And always handle your face masks from the elastic. And then, of course, when you have to readjust them, you do have to touch it, but make sure your hands are clean. And then there's a filter pocket on the back, so you could put your filter in. This is made from 100% cotton muslin, and these, again, will come in a variety of colors. So the one in this particular package is the white muslin, but they can come in a variety of the fabrics that you will find available in my store, marketsofsunshine.store. The florals, fun prints, just really, really cool. And so anyway, this is everything that you will receive in your care package. So one face mask, 2 wallets, 2 cash envelopes, a mini gratitude journal, a shaker card, a little mini wallet with little envelopes and messages. So this could be a little tea bag wallet. They could just carry this in their purse and take these little note cards out and put 2 little tea bags in it. Now you have your own little tea wallet. Really cute and fun. And it ties. You could put your sweeteners on one side and your tea bags on the other side. And then the last but not least, the fun little paperclip decorative set. And then the hat goes on top. And then everything is wrapped in beautiful tissue paper. And then their invitation to the mailing list, my personal message, my thank you message, and then everything will be tucked into their crate and little accordion flower, and you are my sunshine. So isn't that wonderful? Now, what value would you place on this care package with all the contents that you saw in here? Well, if you guessed well over $100, you are absolutely right. But my introductory launch price is only $60, and that is free shipping in the USA. So over $100 worth of products for only $60. And to even make it even more amazing, if you join my VIP coupon club list, I will be gifting, because this is a true gift, I will be gifting 3 people the care packages for only $35. But you have to join my VIP club, and then you have to send me a message, reply, and say that you would like to get one of the care packages that's worth $100 for $35, and I'm gifting that to 3 people. So my gift to 3 of my VIP club members will be to receive this $100 worth of products for only $35. Okay, so leave me a comment, share the video please, subscribe to my channel and do all that fun stuff. Give it a thumbs up and invite anyone that you know that could use a Sunshine in a Box care package with all of these beautiful handmade gifts, things that are useful, things that are fun, things that are going to be encouraging and bring you joy in your life. So who wouldn't want one, right? So thank you so much, and thank you to all my subscribers. I really, really appreciate you. I love all the fun comments, and so many wonderful comments, and so many new channels that I'm getting to know. I really, really appreciate all of the love that you guys are showing, and kindness and support. And we don't even know each other. We're just total strangers, but the camaraderie is really, really encouraging. So I enjoy watching your videos, and I enjoy commenting and complimenting you just as much as you do for me. So thank you so much, and I hope you'll have a great day. Bye-bye.